If you've spent any time shopping for laminates and coatings, you know how quickly it can get confusing. There are so many options and not enough clarity on what's right for your application. You end up guessing, running tests that you didn't budget for, or just defaulting to whatever you used before, even when it's not the best fit. Marabu laminates are built to solve that problem. And these products don't do it by offering fewer options. Instead, Marabu offers a structured family of products where every coating has a clear purpose and a specific place. So let's break down what that actually means. Marabu doesn't put coatings on the shelf and leave it for you to sort out on your own. Their laminate and coatings portfolio is organized around production needs of businesses just like yours. We have products designed to perform across a wide range of applications and application methods. That means whether you're running a roll-on, spray, or a StarLam system, there's a Marabu product engineered for that workflow. You're not forced to adapt a product that almost fits. You simply select the right tool for the job and get to work. One of the first questions to answer when selecting a coating is whether you need a one-part or two-part system. One-part coatings are ready to use as is. They're straightforward to apply and well-suited to a wide range of standard applications. But when you need an extra level of chemical resistance, durability, and performance under demanding conditions, a two-part system is where you go. Two-part formulations involve mixing a base with a hardener, and the result is a significant tougher finish. Marabu offers both. So rather than force you towards one system or the other, you choose what is best based on what your application requires. How you apply a coating affects the finish, the workflow, and the result. Marabu's family of laminates cover the methods that print service providers use every day. Roll-on application is common in high-volume production environments. It's efficient and consistent when applied correctly. Spray-on application gives you flexibility across different substrates and finish types. The StarLam is a liquid lamination machine offered by Marabu, and this system offers a different approach entirely. It's a laminating process that integrates the coating into the finishing workflow in a way that delivers precise and repeatable results. Each method has its place, and Marabu has products designed specifically for each one. What ties all of this together is that every product in the Marabu family is engineered to perform consistently. That means the finish you get today should look and perform the same way it does on your next run and the run after that. That consistency is part of what you're selling. When your customer chose Marabu through you, they're not just buying any old coating, they're buying Marabu coatings. And Marabu coatings deliver predictable results and the confidence that comes with a product that was designed for that specific application. Technical data sheets are available for every product in the Marabu coatings family. So when your customer needs specifics on chemical resistance, dry times, compatibility, or application parameters, that information is there as well. The Marabu coatings family covers virtually every application you're likely to encounter. The structure is an intentional design, the performance is always consistent, and figuring out what you need is not complicated because Marabu has simplified the selection process. When the right coating is clearly matched with the right application, your customers get better results and they come back to you for the next job. Use the link in the description to visit our website and learn more or place your order today.